Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic.
In the yard, you know what it is? What we looking for? Yeah, what we looking for? Yeah, what we looking for? Yeah, what we looking for? So we really just looking. How the fuck I'm here? Oh, why I'm out here? It's too hot for this shit. So I came back out here. I only got a couple tools on the screwdriver and the fucking socket. But I ain't come for all that bullshit. But it looks like they got my fucking wheels off. But they got one of them bitches off. Let me show y'all. There might have been two. Nah, that's a 6-year-old. So yeah, y'all remember we got that bitch up front. But the one back here for being a little troublemaker. So as you can see, it looked like they did. It looked like they did manage to kind of melt this shit up off of it with a torch or whatever. But now that shit is on the tire, so I'm like, I don't even know if that tire worth the fuck now. At this point, I'm like, shit, bro, I'd rather just go buy a tire now. That's what I really wanted was a fucking tire. I can't shine that bitch up looking like that. But anyway, here go the fucking front clip piece. So yeah, they got these little fucking things to hold a fucking headlight in that bitch, but mine. Sometimes you just gotta hook that bitch. So I wanna say what I'm not sure about is, like, can I just take, cause what I'm missing off of mine, man, is this little that bitch done came back down. Oh, designs of these shits, man. One of them has dual headlights, and then this one has like single. Anyway, it's like this little fucking this shit right here, which hooks on to like the bottom or whatever, for that fucking driver side to do whatever the fuck you need to do. So I don't know if this headlight, I really just need the housing around this bitch. So I'm gonna be like, headlight, see if that bitch fake, if it'll work. If it do, then cool. If it don't, then I have to buy the shit new. I do know it's two different sizes though. Got the hardware for the window roll down, right? So if I just come take this mechanism and shit up out of here, then I should, you know, save some bread on that too for the C10. So we gonna see. I mean, that door don't look to be in terrible condition, but I ain't gonna have Cortez do the whole fucking shit over. It probably would be quicker to get that motherfucker off though. Well, nah, not really, cause you really would need to take this fucking fender off first, which really ain't shit. But at this point, shit, just a couple bolts, bam, bam. Just So I don't know. We might not. We'll see. I'll probably wait till like, man, September, October, dog. Like, fuck, it's hot out here. Well, I mean, it's the end of August now. It was already hot this bitch. So, yeah. Alright. Let's find what the fuck I really came out here for. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, LS254, man. And I just had to flex my hat game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog, DJ Jamalot, at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now, let's do a little montage. So, cue the music. Boom. So the following message has been brought to you by LS254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jamalot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted LS Chevy or Caprice today. Back at the junkyard, what do we see? I'll show you what we're looking at. Automobile. Walk around the front. Walk around the front. Walk around the foot. Custom cruise on there, boy. Goddamn big body. Big body. Automobile. 307. Tell by the dip still down. Tell by the dip. Another one that hit the yard, man. This ain't even really, you don't really see no wagons like that. These SUVs are the SUVs before they was SUVs, you dig? Ain't no key in it, bitch. Check out the interior. You know, we ain't did a junkyard video in a minute, nigga. It been hot as fuck. But I'm out here for y'all today, man. For y'all. So, let's see. It's very different. Let's see what kind of radio we got there. Door for the wing of the wagon. Seats ain't too bad. Got them trees in that bit. Got them trees in that bit, but too hot. Jesus. Yeah, man. Yeah, I thought that was pretty cool, man. So we out here grabbing some shit anyway. Got them bubble on deck. I keep seeing these, man. I feel like they next to blow. I mean, they already kind of blew for the ones. For the ones that like them, they already blew, but for the rest of us, I used to have a bubble, man. My shit was a 91 with the skirts and shit. You know what I'm saying? I always did want like a little upgrade though. These hoes is roomy as shit, digi-dash and all. Them door panels was shit though. Especially like the bottom part. Now that one kind of solid. That one kind of solid. This one my brother got. I be looking for I be looking for fans at the junkyard, bro. They just out here, just in the streets. In the streets. They done took the plugs off the hoes, but they out here. 3800. Like the Ribbon motor. Lay your damn ass up, nigga. Yeah, damn. Alright, I'm gonna cut y'all back on for this fucking phone over.